Hi guys, so let us start with the reading today. This is your reading today for the day. Let us see what are the messages for you. So I get you have been praying for this person, you have been missing them badly. Okay, you are missing them. Oh, we have magician card. Okay. I'm just shuffling all the cards and then I will be doing this reading. Wow. So the very first card we have is Four of Swords. Maybe you feel that you are hurting yourself a lot staying in this connection, or you are not staying much happy with this person or something. That is what I'm getting. Even if you do a lot for this person or put in a lot of efforts and invest a lot of time and so much of efforts as well, still it's not enough for the person somewhere. It's not enough for them to you know um, value you or value this connection or see your worth or see the worth of your efforts, okay, or the efforts being made for them. So somewhere you feel that you are responsible for this particular situation. You have started developing feelings. The person didn't come and tell you to love them so much. You were the only one and you are now blaming yourself for the same. I also see you are praying for your mental peace. I see you are praying for your mental health as well and wellness. So please don't blame yourself. Stop worrying. Stop overthinking. Pray as much as you can so you can get enough peace and happiness in your life. And please don't blame yourself. It was all a part of your, destiny, and you guys were meant to, meet each other. Okay, and they were meant to meet you. You guys were meant to be together, and if this is your person, it won't ever be toxic. It won't get toxic. If there are some lessons, then you would definitely learn them. You have to learn them. You cannot skip them. Fine. So if there are hindrances, obstacles, please don't worry. Keep your faith firm and stay a little patient, and things will be coming your way as well. So if you are constantly worried about this connection, whether it's going to work out, whether this is your person, this is your divine counterpart or not, I get it's your person. Okay, this is your person because I have a lot of cards. Taking it one by one. So next card we have is Knight of Wands. Okay, the movements in the connection are happening now. Okay, it's not such where your prayers are being heard, because we have the Judgment card as well here. So there is a woman, a man and a child who is getting back up from the coffin, and they are getting back to life from the coffin. So maybe if you thought this connection is over, if you thought this is all getting over, or maybe it's time to quit now, or maybe it's time to give up the connection or on the person, then this is not the case. A new beginning is definitely coming, because with that card I also get death. Okay, so with this Judgment card I also can connect with these two cards, that a new beginning is on the horizon for you. And Judgment, I also get prayers. If you have made the prayers, I can connect with that card too. God is listening. He is passing the judgment in your favor. He will make you happy at the end. He is going to provide you with the justice. If you have only showered love and you were caring a lot of for this person, okay, for your person, sorry, then God is watching you, universe is watching you, spirit is watching you. A person can ignore the same, but the efforts made or something done in love for somebody can never go unseen or unwatched by the universe and our ancestors. Fine. So please don't worry about the same. And if connection had lost the spark, it's coming back to life. So don't worry about the same at all. So next card we have is the Hermit card. Okay, so till now your person has been in the denial mode. I get they were not ready to accept, they were not ready to welcome you in their life. They were just being very much resistant and to change, and not ready to accept you as you are, not ready to accept this connection. Maybe due to past wounds, they were not even ready to provide you with commitment. They are still not ready. I get you are supposed to be patient with them. You have to give them enough time to heal themselves first, and somewhere you are also helping them to heal. That is what I'm getting. Maybe you or your person is helping you to heal. So due to your past relationships, your trust on the relationship or on love has completely got vanished, and that is the only reason why a person is taking much time. So they have lost their faith on marriages, and they have just lost their trust on marriages to work out, and that it could provide them with the love. It could be even a loving, caring connection as well. And they have been in a mindset where they think that marriages could be a complete failure as well, and it's only going to provide them with hurt. So that is the reason why they are pushing you away and not ready to come towards you. Next we have is Two of Pentacles. So now even you are staying confused. As I said, you are just wondering about whether this is your person or not. But with the Lovers card here, again we have angel, your ancestors and God blessing you, your favorite deity blessing you. If you have been praying constantly, I also see chanting. So I also get chanting, okay, with 108 beads mala if you are using for chanting. So that is a specific message for a few of you. God is listening to all your prayers and he is blessing you also. He is not ignoring or avoiding you. If prayers are taking much time to be answered, don't worry, your answers are coming, okay? And just stay focused and stay positive. So with the Lovers card I get, this is your confirmation. What else do you need? We have this confirmation today that this is your person, this is it. You have found your person, you have found your home, and your person is also feeling the same, but they are just, you know, as I said, they are just pushing you away because they need their time to heal, okay? They need their time alone, they need their own space. So please provide them with the same. And I also get red or maroon is important for you. We have a lot of red, I'll not be able to show you, but here even downwards we have a lot of red. Here we have a lot of red. We have Magician card. So if you're manifesting something, your wish is going to get fulfilled. This is what I'm getting. And your bond that you share is infinite, okay? And I also get soon celebrations are beginning. We have a lot of elements. All the elements will be present in your life when you are with this person. And whatever you have ever asked for or wished for, and even more of what you have ever wanted, is going to be gifted to you by Almighty, because he's seeing your efforts, he's seeing how long you have waited. So it's all paying off very soon. So okay, so all the struggle is paying off soon, and you will be having everything when you are with this person. Happiness and, you know, love and care will find you back again. So don't worry about the same, and your bond is infinite. So if you're wondering about the same, don't worry. I don't understand what could be the title of my video, okay? So please comment below what could be the title of this video. I'll just post something, and if I find a better title, I'll just change it to that. But right now I'm getting only one thing again and again, that something is being declared again, okay? Here, because we have Judgment card as well. Here the angel or God is declaring something. Here the Magician is declaring something. Maybe victory is yours and victory is being declared for you. So don't worry, you are going to win. I get soon you will find happiness in the places where you have cried, and you will get victory where you have lost, and you are going to get back your happiness from the places where you have sobbed a lot. So this is your confirmation. What else you need? And at the end of the deck I have Three of Cups. So if there was the third party and your person thought that it was easy for them to let you go or let go of this connection, it is not the case, because this is a divine connection and it's not as easy as they have thought of. So they are coming back to you, getting and feeling a magnetic pull towards you, and they are gravitating back to you. So don't worry about the same, okay? And Three of Cups I also get, if there is a friend who is getting you two back together, if they are helping you, then don't worry, you guys are going to be together again, okay? If you like somebody and if you are taking help of a third person, then they are bringing you together. Don't worry, take their help, accept their help, and get back to your person. This is your person. Don't even have a single doubt or fear. So thank you so much. This was a reading, okay? And we'll meet soon with another reading. Till then, take care, stay blessed.